The Rwandan genocide remains one of the darkest chapters in modern history, marked by intense ethnic conflict and mass killings that unfolded in Rwanda between April and July 1994. This devastating event resulted in the loss of an estimated 800,000 lives, primarily of the Tutsi ethnic group. Let's explore the details of the Rwandan genocide, including its causes, key events, and the lasting impact it had on Rwanda and the international community. Historical context. The roots of the Rwandan genocide can be traced back to the country's colonial history, where the Belgians favored the minority Tutsi ethnic group over the majority Hutu population. This created deep-seated tensions and resentment, which would later escalate into violence. Causes of the genocide. The immediate trigger for the genocide was the assassination of President Juvenal Habyarimana, a Hutu, in April 1994. This event served as a catalyst for the long-planned extermination of the Tutsi population by extremist Hutu factions. Propaganda campaigns, dehumanization of the Tutsis, and the spread of hatred and fear played significant roles in fueling the violence. Key events. Following the assassination of President Habyarimana, Hutu extremists launched a systematic campaign of mass killings, targeting Tutsis and moderate Hutus who opposed the genocide. The violence was characterized by brutal machete attacks, sexual violence, and the use of militias and government-backed forces to carry out the massacres. The international community's response was slow and inadequate, failing to prevent the scale of the atrocities. Aftermath and reconciliation. The Rwandan genocide left a lasting impact on Rwanda and its people. The country was left devastated, both socially and economically. The process of rebuilding and reconciliation has been long and arduous. Efforts were made to bring perpetrators to justice through international tribunals and domestic courts. Additionally, grassroots initiatives, community-based justice systems, and truth and reconciliation commissions were established to promote healing and unity. International response and lessons learned. The Rwandan genocide exposed the failures of the international community to prevent and effectively respond to mass atrocities. The lack of timely intervention and political will highlighted the need for improved early warning mechanisms, stronger international interventions, and the responsibility to protect vulnerable populations. The genocide also served as a catalyst for reforms within international humanitarian and legal frameworks. Rebuilding and progress. Despite the immense challenges, Rwanda has made remarkable strides in rebuilding and transforming itself. The government has prioritized social cohesion, economic development, and national reconciliation. Rwanda has experienced significant advancements in education, healthcare, and economic growth, making it one of Africa's success stories in terms of post-genocide recovery.